Welcome to Kingston Night Market.
Thank you. And of course, if you're just coming in, we're in the entertainment segment. I'm Bree, the hostess of the mostess, the voice here at Kingston Night Market, and of course, showing off some of Jamaica's best female talent. So she goes by the name Andrene Brown, and she's an accomplished and versatile multi-instrumentalist who began her journey with the Music for Peace concert band affiliated with the Roman Catholic Diocese of Montego Bay in 2004. Now, as a principal clarinetist and instructor, Andrene's exceptional expertise propelled her to prominence. She represented her school, college ensemble, and her country at prestigious events, including the National Festival of the Performing Arts. Now, Andrene's talent isn't just local, she also performed on the global stage in Long Beach, California, and she earned the esteemed title of 2024 Senior Grand Champion Performer of the World, 2024 Senior Instrumentalist of the World, 2024 Division Champion, as well as gold, silver, and bronze medals. So, and of course, she's here with us here at Kingston Night Market. Who can tell me the color for International Women's Month? Purple, and purple happens to be her favorite color, so she actually brings a beautiful touch of her love for music, her passion, and a bit of her favorite color into her performances, as we see with the lovely pants. So right now we want to celebrate Andrene, who's here to perform for us tonight. She's a saxophonist tonight. As I mentioned, she plays multiple instruments, but she'll be taking it through with a beautiful rendition here. So give her a round of applause for me now. Yeah, Andrene Brown. Oh, she plays some. No, man, she bad. On the time around, you want one more? One more. Oh, no, I say one more. All right. You have one more for us, Miss Andrene? And of course, if we want to hear your voice one more time, where can we find you next?
Good evening again, everyone. Alright, so I have Instagram, TikTok, and also a YouTube channel. Alright, so everything is Andrene Music. It's spelled ANDRENE Music. Well, I don't see nobody take out no phone or no when I perform, I see how much phone for me. I don't understand. I don't understand what I'm going. Alright, and for bookings, you can reach me at andrene.music@gmail.com or 876-445-4497. And I repeat, 876-445-4497. Have a good night, everyone. Oh, and if you need a card, just come with me. Alright? Have a good night.
Alright, give it up again for Andrene Brown. Yeah, did you enjoy that performance? Alright, so remember, if you need her for booking, she does events. So if you're looking for someone to bring some entertainment to your value entertainment event, you can go on and check out Andrene Music on all social media platforms and andrene.music@gmail.com for bookings. Please, a big round of applause for this powerful voice. Trust me, you'll understand why I said she needed an introduction. Yeah?
Holy Emmanuel I King Selassie I Jah Rastafari. Blessed love people, black people, white people, Chinese people, all people are Jah people. Rastafari. This is Sudana Edwards representing Ancients of Days. Blessed love one another. Get on the track. Blessed love. Yes. My name is Sudana. If you want to know my persona, we have Vinci Rasta Man Bana. The Black Christ me Anna. The Holy Trinity I me desire. Sabbatical order take me higher. Regular me say me prayer. Does me not stop burn the fire. I Jah, Rastafari. Teach the youths and the right thing. Children are the future. And we now set no good example. Rastafari. If you don't have nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. Your words make the youth say sound. But I'm less speak them fall. Clean up your thoughts. So me say clean up your heart. Have nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. Your words make the youth say sound. But I'm less speak them fall. Clean up your thoughts. So me say clean up your heart. Be fearing everything that you do. Good advice to the youth, that's true. Watching me and you, what we say. Always a crew. Good friends are less than few. So don't get caught up in voodoo. I support, Abba Jah bless you. I see how we choose. Yes, he chose us too. I relax, don't refuse. If you don't have nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. Your words make the youth say stall. But I'm less speaking fall. Clean up your thoughts. So me say clean up your heart. If you don't have nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. Your words make the youth say stall. But I'm less speaking fall. Clean up your thoughts. So me say clean up your heart. Let you have to say good things in this time. They are seen, me say they are not right. A good sermon leaves a good message behind. See, I see only and divine. Speak the truth forward. Negative role model show inside. Talking to the fools. I say, no, if you don't have nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. Your words make the youth say stall. But I'm less speak them fall. Clean up your thoughts. So we say clean up your heart. If you don't have nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. Your words make the youth say stall. But I'm less speak them fall. Clean up your thoughts. So we say clean up your heart. Next rock, Rastafari. Sudana Edwards, Rastafari. Give thanks and praise for everyone here. Blessed love one and all. Sudana Edwards.
Me on the beat, so it's a banger.
Complacency, inadequacy to judge a glory. Now they fear when them see the fabrication still never block me. Want to stop destiny. Envy me flow from poster fantasy. Launching out is a 40 Grammy. Highest time land magnetic frequency. So, me say them wanna be me. Me say them wanna be me. Like Sudana, them all wanna be. Me say them wanna be me. Tell them say, yo, me say them wanna be me. Me say them wanna be me. Like Sudana, them all wanna be. Me say them wanna be me. Yo, take a picture of me book. From you a mother look up girl, you have to cook. Take a step out of me crap. The narrow pathway you just can't reject. Oh BBL, Barbie, me say you soul you a sell. And me say LLB, one booger man out your teacher. So, me say you wanna be me. Me say you wanna be me. Like Sudana, them all wanna be. Me say them wanna be me. Tell them say no. Me say them wanna be me. Me say them wanna be me. Like Sudana, them all wanna be. Me say them wanna be me. No, thank you, Rastafari. Slap your lips.
Yes, give it up for Sudana. Sudana don't run away as yet. Remember I tell you she never need no introduction. Don't she tell you who she is, right? So then they can't be she. Tell us where we can find you.
All social media platform. Sudana Edwards, Rastafari daughter. Big up yourself one and all. Blessed love.
Alright, blessed love. Thank you so much. Another round of applause for Sudana. Yeah.
So let's be my boss. That's it, but if you feel bad, you better tell me.
Listen it. Alright, we're gonna bring Sudana on for one more. You want one more? Say one more. Alright, Sudana.
I am a natural country girl, African girl, Sudana, you know where you return. Natural country girl, I tell girl, fruits and vegetable in my world. Natural country girl, African girl, only Rasta, rock my world. I am a natural country girl. natural country girl. Country girl go a spring. Me walk so foot and knee dumpling. Me get wood fire. Broke coconut dinner, man good dinner. Country girl knows her words. Me know some blessing right from the earth. Rastafari, Sudana Edwards.
Put me on a beat, so it's a banger.
I am a natural country girl, African girl, Sudana, you know you just return. Natural country girl, I tell girl fruits and vegetables in my world. Natural country girl, African girl on the rasta, rock my world. Natural country girl, natural country girl. Country girl go a spring, walk so foot and knee dumpling. Me catch wood fire. Broke coconut, give my man good dinner. Country girl knows her words. You know some blessed right from God.